So, sir, what are the different career opportunities a student can go for after 3-year LLB? And is it different from the 5-year integrated course?
No, it's not, because many of the students, they think that 5-year law and 3-year law are different. For their clarity, I would say 5-year law is also a LLB, but with a specialization of another graduation degree. It's a dual graduation, but in the field of law, you will be considered as a law graduate only. And similarly, for the 3-year LLB, you have to do it after your graduation. So you already have a graduation degree and then you go for LLB. In both the cases, you are a LLB graduate. So it doesn't matter you're coming from 5-year law or 3-year law. The options available will be very similar to each other. For example, you can go for litigation, you can go for corporate law, you can go for criminal, civil law, taxation is there. You can go for the army. Army is also the defense services. They also have a law officer degree there. You can go for banking. You can go for government legal officer examinations. You can go for academics also. You can write UGC NET and you can go for becoming a professor in a prestigious university. So all the options are similar. But because 5-year law happens to be after your 12th and they are majorly driven by the NLUs in the country, they have a tag, they have a flagship name in the country, and that is why they offer very good placement opportunities. So due to this, एक misconception सा बन गया है that in 3-year LLB there might be chances कि आपको options कम मिलते हो, but ऐसा नहीं है. If you look for GLC Mumbai, ILS Pune, even the NLSAT which is by NLSIU, so जितने भी renowned colleges हैं जो 3-year LLB आपको offer करते हैं, they are offering you the same packages or even higher than 5-year law programs. So इस तरीके से कोई confusions नहीं है. It completely matters कि आप किस college से अपना ग्रेजुएशन, चाहे वो 5-year हो या 3-year हो, कंप्लीट करते हैं.